How to tie a tie, Half Windsor Knot. Why choose the Half Windsor Knot? The Half Windsor Knot is medium-sized, slightly triangular, and works best with medium to wide-collared shirts. It's less bulky than a full Windsor, but still polished enough for any formal occasion. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide on how to tie a Half Windsor Knot. Step 1. Facing a mirror, drape the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right side, hanging about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. Step 2. Take the wide end and cross it over the narrow end to the left, forming an X near your collar. Step 3. Bring the wide end across the back from left to right. Step 4. Pull the wide end up through the neck loop from the top, then bring it down to the left side. Step 5. Now take the wide end across the front over to the right. Step 6. Pull the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. Step 7. Guide the wide end down through the loop you've just created in the front. Step 8. Hold the narrow end while sliding the knot up towards your collar, adjusting the knot for a symmetrical and a sleek triangular shaped snug fit. You're done. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe for more style tips, and comment below which tie knot you want to learn next. Stay sharp, stay confident, master your tie game today.